Hi, everybody. This is Tim Calderala with Apex Homes, Florida. Today, we're going to talk about building on your lot. We're in a rural property here just outside of Jacksonville. This is a little over 5.5 acres. And today, we're going to assess this property for a client that has it under contract to ensure that they have absolute peace of mind before they complete their transaction and purchase the property. A few of the things that we're going to look at today, we're going to do an environmental study where our scientist is going to come out and we're going to talk about where we're going to place the home. In this case, we have a septic system, so we're going to test for septic soils to prepare for the permit in that case. We're also going to look for native species that we may need to address, like gopher tortoises or eagles. We're going to do considerations for any other environmental that we see out here, such as wetlands, and those kind of things. So don't anticipate that being an issue on this particular project, but often here in Northeast Florida, that does become an issue. So always something that we check for. We're also going to pay attention to utilities. We have overhead power lines coming to this property. So we're going to make sure that we have an easement and access to the property. We also have a dirt road in this case coming into the property, which is private rather than owned by the county. So it's up to the neighbors here and the new owner to manage and maintain that. So we're going to discuss that, what that looks like, and what needs to be addressed there. So many considerations to think about when you're considering building on your own property. And our team at Apex Florida has been doing this for so long, and we're happy to be a resource to make sure that clients have that peace of mind as they finalize their transaction and purchase that property of their dreams. For more information, you can reach out to us at apexhomesfl.com. We look forward to working with you on your new project.